Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook so you can easily ask questions and get opinions from your group members. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu in the bottom right or top right corner depending on your device. This is where you'll find all the main options. Step 2. Tap groups, then tap see more if needed to view all of your groups. This will show you every group you are part of. Step 3. Select the group where you want to post the poll. Choosing the right group ensures your poll reaches the right audience. Step 4. Tap write something to start creating a new post. This is where you add all content to your group. Step 5. Scroll down in the second section and tap poll. This option allows you to create a multiple choice post. Step 6. Fill out your poll with options and add photos if you like. Adding images can make your poll more engaging. Step 7. Tap done in the top right, then type your question. This ensures members know exactly what you're asking. Step 8. Tap next, then tap post. Your poll will now be live in the group for members to vote on. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials.